Oh, gambled and lost on that one. Oh, gambled and lost on that as well. I do a lot of things that I think are going to be right and then just aren't. Huh? Okay, what's this one? Oh. Good 9 seconds of that, we're just recognizing the G-perm. Oh, gosh. Look at that. Ah. Okay, okay, look at that average of 5, 24.7. Let's see if I can keep it together. Oh, and then... Oh, yes! Kept it under 25 with an N perm. I'm happy with that. What the hell is this? Oh, yeah. Take that, Chris Mills, 22. Look at that average of 5! That's what I came for. That is what I came for. It is so hot in Christchurch today. I am sweating.